Hello today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking device here for your upper arm stretch and the full body performance stretch. Possibility to make a big better stretch at home, for example. This is the Bzavor Pull-up bar. Yeah, quick, without screws. You can attach it directly into your home gym. It is possible to attach this in 70 up to 100 centimeter length. It's a pull-up bar for the door frame. No slipping. Pull-up bar with a load capacity of up to 300 kilogram. Wow, this is a nice fitness equipment for our home gym. And completely safe. These pull-up bars are made of a rubber steel tube construction. The non-slip mat is wider and thicker than the 29 non-slip bands. Extremely stable and safe for all types of workouts. It does not slip, of course, for more safety during sports. And we have a high load capacity here. This first-class pull-up bar for door frame is adjustable. It fits in any door frame with a width of 70 up to 100 centimeter and supports up to 300 kilogram of weight. The high-quality door frame pull-up bar will not let us down with the superior quality. Excellent stability and durability in one turn. And we have a comfortable handles here. The pull-up bars ergonomically shaped the foam handle that provide us with a comfortable and a firm grip. So we can perform our exercise efficiently and train our muscles optimally. And versatile use. In less than 5 minutes, we can start training thanks to the easily installation process. The pull-up bars for door frames are suitable for a variety of exercises, such as the good old pull-ups, the side-ups, or the stretching exercises, or leg lifts, dips, and many others. We can train our fitness goals in many ways and strengthen our body really easily, of course. The main thing is a pull-up, of course. A pull-up is an upper body strength exercise. The pull-up is a closed chain movement where the body is suspended by the hands, gripping a bar at a distance typically wider than shoulder wide and pulled up. As this happens, the elbow flex and the shoulders adduct and extend to bring the elbows to the torso. Pull-ups build up several muscles of the upper body, including a latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and biceps brachii. A pull-up may be performed with overhand, underhand, or sometimes reference to as a chin chap, neutral, or a rotating hand position. Pull-ups are used by some organizations such as component of the fitness tests and as a conditional activity for some sports too. The smallest setup here with this bar is 700 millimeter minimum installation distance. The maximum installation distance goes up to 100 centimeters. That means the shape can be small, medium, or large. You can choose it. And it's really easy. The first thing is we insert the groove tubes at the both ends into the anti-skid heat. Seated. When we open the safety locks on both ends, we base the flat on the ground, hold the middle foam handle, and we rotate it forward at the arrow position. And then we make it close to the installation distance, and then we can start workout nearly. The only thing is we adjust the balance of the horizontal bar, and then we continue rotate the intermediately body, fully lock the switch. Then we're ready. We inserting the safety catch on both ends to make sure both catches it easily, and then the installation process is completed. After this, we can perform so many exercises. So many exercises are possible. First, of course, vertical hanging. We jump up to catch the horizontal bar with our forehead and lift our feet off the ground until we can support it. We build our grip flange and forearm flange with a simple exercise. Or we make body rowing. The height of the horizontal bar is about the waist. The heels are on the ground. The chest and the abdomen are raised. The shoulder blades are lightened and the upper body is pulled up. Or three-hand suspension. We raise our thumbs in a position where the chin is on the horizontal bar, and then we hold this position until we can't support it anymore. Or we can make more things, and it's not only the pull-up which you can use here. You can make for your abs. You can make for your chest. You can make works for the complete body with such a device here. And it is good attached to our door frame, and it helps us to gain a better health. This is the Bzavor Pull-up bar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.